So, Mr. Jackson, why have you hired a company to screen the students' posts on the social media?
Well, that's because we had a lot of trouble with cyberbullying at our school, and we needed to do something about it as soon as possible. And then we decided we had to try this out because it's our only option at this moment, and because it has been really bad at our school, so we have to do something about it now, and this is the best option we have. So yeah.
Okay, have you experienced a bad attitude yourself?
No, there's not anything referring to me because I'm not seeing the students very much, but I've heard teachers saying that some students are not violent, but in the language
Yes.
towards them. So yeah.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Jacob. So I wanted to ask you about this project. What do you think about the school that they are hiring a company that can screen your posts on the social media?
I think it's goddamn hilarious that they're going into our private messages just to see if we're bullying anyone. You can tell by the fact that they can actually see my messages between me and my mom. And when they have that option to do things like that, they just probably take all advantage of my privacy, and like I can't feel comfortable on the internet and on the Wi-Fi on the school just because of this stupid idea that the stupidest principal came up with.
Okay, well, thank you. So, Christian, you are the father of Jacob.
Yeah.
So I want to ask you about this project that the school is doing right now about the company that screens the students' social posts. What do you think about this? Is it okay or is it too much? Or yeah, what is your opinion?
I think it's too much because I like to write home. I like to write to my son Jacob to know what he's going to do after school, but I can't do it because they're watching me. I don't like to get watched by another system, the authorities. They have to take in over this. I think it's pointless.
Okay, so you use the social media to contact your son.
Yeah, I do it. I write to him every day just to make sure he's going home safe.
Okay, so you don't use text message. You use Facebook to write to him.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
great.
And you want to keep that private between you and your son.
Yeah, of course. I think the messages to everyone it has to be private because it's a conversation between you and another person, not everyone else to know what you're writing about.
Okay. Well, thank you for your opinion.